Lemurs are some of the most fascinating and unique creatures on our planet, yet so many people don't realize just how incredible they truly are. When you think of primates, your mind might jump to monkeys swinging through the trees of the Amazon, or perhaps to the mighty gorillas of Africa. But lemurs, they're in a league of their own, with a story that's as wild and wonderful as the forests they call home. Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of lemurs and uncover 6 cool facts that will absolutely blow your mind. Whether you're an animal lover, a nature enthusiast, or just someone who loves learning new things, you're about to discover why lemurs deserve a spot at the top of your most awesome animals list. First off, let's set the record straight. Lemurs are not just cute, fuzzy animals with big eyes and stripy tails. They're evolutionary marvels, survivors of a journey that began millions of years ago. And honestly, I don't think people understand how awesome lemurs really are. So let's fix that right now. Get ready to have your mind open to the wonders of these extraordinary primates. Fact number 1. Lemurs are found nowhere else in the world except for Madagascar and a few tiny neighboring islands. That's right. These animals are exclusive to this one corner of the globe. Madagascar, the world's 4th largest island, split off from the African continent about 160 million years ago, and then from India about 88 million years ago. This isolation created a unique evolutionary playground, and lemurs are the superstars of this natural experiment. Imagine a place where the animals evolved with almost no competition from other primates. No monkeys, no apes, just lemurs, adapting and diversifying in ways you won't see anywhere else. It's like nature's own secret laboratory, and lemurs are the headline act. Madagascar's forests are the only place on Earth where you'll find wild lemurs, from the dense rainforests in the east, to the dry, spiny forests in the south, to the mangrove swamps along the coast. Lemurs have adapted to every corner of this island. Some species spend their days high in the treetops, leaping from branch to branch with acrobatic grace, while others prefer to forage on the forest floor. And while a few species have managed to survive on nearby islands like the Comoros, the vast majority of lemurs are true Madagascans, born and bred in this island paradise. Fact number 2. Lemurs are ancient primates, and their story goes way, way back. These remarkable animals have been evolving separately from monkeys and apes for over 60 million years. That's right, while humans, chimpanzees, and gorillas share a more recent common ancestor, lemurs branched off much earlier, making them some of the most primitive primates alive today. In fact, if you want to see what early primates might have looked like, just look at a lemur. Their big, reflective eyes, long snouts, and keen sense of smell are all clues to their ancient origins. They're like living fossils, giving us a glimpse into the distant past of our own evolutionary family tree. Over millions of years, lemurs have adapted to every niche Madagascar has to offer. Some, like the sifeka, are expert leapers, able to bound more than 30 feet in a single jump. Others, like the ai, have evolved bizarre adaptations, like an extra-long middle finger for fishing grubs out of tree bark. And then there's the indri, the largest living lemur, whose haunting calls echo through the rainforest at dawn. Each species is a testament to the power of evolution, and together they form one of the most diverse and fascinating groups of primates on the planet. Fact number 3. Lemurs come in an astonishing variety of shapes, sizes, and colors. There are over 100 recognized species of lemurs, ranging from the tiny mouse lemur, which can fit in the palm of your hand, to the majestic indri, which can weigh up to 20 pounds. Some lemurs have bright orange eyes, while others have piercing yellow or deep brown ones. Their fur can be grey, brown, black, white, or even ringed with bold stripes. Some have long bushy tails, while others have short, stubby ones. And their personalities are just as diverse. Some are shy and nocturnal, while others are bold and active during the day. No matter what kind of animal you love, there's a lemur out there for you. Let's talk about the mouse lemur for a second. These tiny creatures are the smallest primates in the world, weighing less than 2 ounces and measuring just a few inches long. Despite their size, they're incredibly agile. darting through the undergrowth in search of insects, fruit, and nectar. On the other end of the spectrum, you have the Indri, a lemur so large and powerful that it's sometimes called the Baba Koto, or ancestor of man. The Indri's haunting, whale-like calls can be heard for miles, and their family groups are tightly knit, with strong bonds between parents and offspring. And in between these extremes, you'll find lemurs of every shape and size, each with its own unique adaptations and behaviors. Some lemurs, like the ring-tailed lemur, are instantly recognizable thanks to their bold black and white tails and expressive faces. Others, like the silky sifaka, are rare and elusive, living high in the misty mountain forests. There are bamboo lemurs that specialize in eating tough, fibrous bamboo shoots, and sportive lemurs that leap through the trees with astonishing agility. With over 100 species to choose from, there's truly a lemur for everyone, from the tiniest mouse lemur to the largest Indri, and everything in between. Fact number 4. Lemurs are incredibly social animals, and their social lives are as complex and fascinating as any primates. Many lemur species live in groups called troops, which can range from just a few individuals to over 2 dozen. These troops are often made up of related females and their offspring, with males coming and going as they please. Within the troop, lemurs groom each other, play together, and communicate using a wide range of vocalizations, facial expressions, and even scent markings. Social bonds are strong, and lemurs rely on each other for protection, warmth, and companionship. What's really cool is that in many lemur species, it's the females who call the shots. That's right, lemur society is often matriarchal, with dominant females leading the group and making important decisions about where to forage, when to move, and how to respond to threats. This is pretty unusual among primates, where males are often the leaders. In lemur troops, the ladies rule, and the males know their place. This female leadership helps keep the group organized and ensures that everyone gets their fair share of food and resources. Lemur troops are tight-knit communities, and their members look out for each other in all kinds of ways. When danger threatens, lemurs will sound the alarm with loud calls and even mob predators to drive them away. When it's time to rest, they huddle together for warmth and comfort, and when food is scarce, they share what they have, making sure that everyone gets enough to eat. These social bonds are the glue that holds lemur society together, and they're a big part of what makes these animals so special. In some species, the matriarchal structure is especially pronounced. For example, in ring-tailed lemur troops, the dominant female leads the group to the best feeding spots and gets first pick of the food. She's also the first to mate, and her offspring enjoy special privileges within the troop. This female-first approach helps ensure the survival of the group, and it's just one more way that lemurs stand out from other primates. Fact number 5. Lemurs are nature's gardeners, playing a crucial role in maintaining the health and diversity of Madagascar's forests. As they move through the trees, lemurs eat a wide variety of fruits, flowers, and leaves, but they don't just eat. They also help spread the seeds of the plants they consume. After munching on a juicy fruit, a lemur will move on, and eventually those seeds will pass through its digestive system and be deposited elsewhere in the forest. This process, known as seed dispersal, is essential for the survival of many plant species, and it helps keep Madagascar's forests healthy and diverse. Lemurs are especially important for certain types of trees and plants that rely on animals to spread their seeds. Some seeds are too large or tough for birds or other animals to handle, but lemurs are up to the challenge. By eating these fruits and carrying the seeds far from the parent tree, lemurs help ensure that new generations of plants can grow and thrive. In fact, some plants in Madagascar have evolved to depend almost entirely on lemurs for seed dispersal. Without lemurs, these plants would struggle to survive, and the entire ecosystem would suffer. It might sound a little gross, but lemur poop is actually a vital part of the forest ecosystem. When lemurs eat fruit, the seeds pass through their digestive system and are deposited in new locations, often with a little bit of natural fertilizer to help them grow. This helps create a patchwork of new growth throughout the forest, supporting a wide range of plants, animals, and insects. In this way, lemurs are true ecosystem engineers, shaping the landscape of Madagascar with every meal. Fact number 6. Despite their importance and uniqueness, lemurs are in serious trouble. An astonishing 95% of lemur species are now considered endangered, making them the most threatened group of mammals on the planet. The main reason? Habitat loss. Madagascar's forests are being destroyed at an alarming rate, as trees are cut down for agriculture, logging, and charcoal production. As the forests disappear, so do the lemurs' homes, leaving them with nowhere to go. On top of that, lemurs are hunted for food and captured for the illegal pet trade, putting even more pressure on their dwindling populations. Conservationists are working hard to protect lemurs and their habitats, but the challenges are immense. Some organizations are creating protected areas where lemurs can live safely, while others are working with local communities to promote sustainable farming and forest management. Zoos and wildlife parks around the world are also playing a role, breeding lemurs in captivity and raising awareness about their plight. But ultimately, the future of lemurs depends on all of us, on our willingness to support conservation efforts, reduce our impact on the environment, and spread the word about these amazing animals. So, what can you do to help? Start by learning more about lemurs and sharing what you've learned with others. Support organizations that are working to protect Madagascar's forests and wildlife. Make choices in your daily life that help reduce deforestation and habitat loss, like buying sustainable products and reducing your carbon footprint. And most importantly, never stop being curious about the natural world. Lemurs are just one example of the incredible diversity of life on our planet, and by working together, we can help ensure that they and all the other amazing creatures that share our world have a future. If you enjoyed these cool facts about lemurs, be sure to like and subscribe for more wild facts and amazing animal stories. Thanks for watching, and remember, every little bit helps when it comes to saving our planet's most extraordinary animals.